everyone. Welcome to Telugu One Fashion. I am your host Kritika Sharma, and this weekend I am taking you to a pampering session. I am here at Nailashes, road number 4, Banjara Hills, here to get my lashes done. Let's watch the process. So before I start my lashes session, I just had a few questions and I would ask that to the brand owner Krishika. So Krishika, tell me, how safe is it to get lashes done?
As safe as you get your nails done.
That means absolutely
It's absolutely safe. But again, it has you can't get lashes done every month. Like, you need to give a break, like how you give it to your nails. So we would always say take a month break and come back.
All right. Okay. So remaining questions I'll ask you while I'm getting the procedure done.
Sure.
My first question is, what exactly is eyelash extension?
Okay. So when we talk about eyelash extensions are basically semi-permanent synthetic silk material, okay, which is applied on your natural lashes.
Okay.
To make it, so basically what happens when you want to enhance your lashes or give volume to it or curl your lashes, so these lashes are applied on your natural lashes.
Okay.
To make it look more volume, to make it look more beautiful.
Interesting. And so does it damage my real lashes?
No. So basically what happens, Kritika, when it is applied by a very professional trainer, okay, who is very good in applying lashes, it does not do any harm to your natural lashes. But yes, there's a procedure to apply lashes because we use glue, eyelash glue.
Right.
Okay, number one that. And number two is, it is similar to your nails. See, every month if you do lashes, definitely, I wouldn't say it wouldn't affect your lashes. It will affect, it might, fall. But if you do it occasionally, probably like once in 2 months or, something like that, it wouldn't harm your natural lashes.
Okay, that's good to know actually. So I wanted to know, what are the different types of lashes that we can get done?
Okay, so since your eyes are very pretty, but we again depend on what kind of lashes would you want to choose. So lashes are basically classic, hybrid, volume, and mega volume. There are 4 kinds of lashes what we get. Kinds, when I say, it depends on the volume what you're choosing.
And how do I take care of the eye makeup after the lashes?
See, what happens, we usually when the lashes are done, okay, so we tell them to take care. So 24 hours is what we ask them, not to do a face wash or the eye wash.
So what is the duration that they stay on the eyes?
I see, it also depends on the client, how they're taking care. Usually the duration is for 3 to 4 weeks.
Oh, interesting.
Okay.
So do they feel heavy on the eyes?
No, it looks very natural. See, the only thing we say is to take care of it. Okay, you need to brush your lashes every day, 2 times, morning and before going to bed.
Okay.
And that's it.
So are there cases where lashes has done damage to the eyes?
I haven't got anybody so far in my studio. But yes, I've heard a couple of people talking about the burning of the eyes or the redness of the eyes. Again, it depends. See, what happens when the procedure is done, we usually tell the client, ma'am, please don't open the eyes. Because we apply it with a glue.
Correct.
And anything that goes into the eyes will obviously cause burning.
Right.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Apart from that, no, nothing.
Okay, Krishika, I wanted to know, when is the first time I can wash my lashes after getting them done?
Okay, so we usually tell our clients to wash lashes only after 24 hours with the safe, eyelash cleanser, so that it shouldn't, remove. So basically, see, our lashes has oil, and also see, every day when you go out, there's a lot of bacteria in your eyes. Correct. So what happens? We tell them to avoid for 24 hours because it takes 24 hours for the lashes to settle down with the glue. Okay, so first 24 hours is what we say, don't wash your lashes, and then only if you're washing it, wash it with a safe lash glue cleanser.
So what products am I supposed to avoid while I have my lashes on?
So ma'am, Kritika, we usually say products avoiding should be like the water-based makeup or anything with the oil. So what happens, the oil removes the glue. So basically, if you have, something when we have Fevicol, which is stuck to our hand, we can use oil to remove the Fevicol, right? So it is similar thing. When you apply oil something or oil makeup on your face or eyes, it damages the glue. So basically, the lashes keep falling.
Okay. And
Yeah.
how many like average lashes do fall down every day?
So usually, see, our natural lashes also falls like 2 to 5 per day. So the
Yes.
similar thing with the lash extensions also.
Okay. So ideally, you need to go for a refill once there's enough gap between the lashes.
See what happens. We also see what happens is when you're doing your lashes, your pores opens up. Okay, and it takes time for them to settle down also. So we tell them give a gap of 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Usually for a refill.
So if I'm not comfortable after the lashes, then I need to come down and get it removed.
Yes, please. You have to come down to your technician and you have to tell them to remove it, because again there's a procedure to remove your lashes.
Okay, and what is that?
See what happens when we also have a removal, eyelash removal. So again it's like a 15-20 minutes procedure, wherein the eyelash removal is applied on your lashes and then they're removed slowly.
Okay. Interesting. So ideally when I'm going for lashes, applying lashes like how I'm doing right now, how much time does it take?
The classic lashes usually take 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay.
And depending on the volume which you're choosing, like classic, hybrid, volume, mega volume, the maximum time is 1.5 hours.
So Krishika, I had a question. Now that I'm getting my lashes done,
Yeah.
how do you do it? Like you what do you say? You put each and every lash one hair at a time? Is it that?
See what happens, every parlor has a different procedure. What we do here is we put single lashes.
Okay.
So in couple of salons, they also use bunches.
Achha,
Like
okay.
one bunch will have somewhere around 10 lashes or maybe 7 lashes.
So also I wanted to know, Krishika, if eyelashes have ever caused eye infections.
Let's be honest, yes. Okay. But again, it depends upon how careful are you with your lashes. See, anything that you've applied need to be taken care, Kritika.
Definitely.
Okay, so when you're washing, see, there's a lot of dust and oil also in your lashes and your skin. Okay, so we usually tell them, see, 24 hours is what the lashes takes time to settle. But you need to see, when we get up in the morning, again there's dust and there is something sticky on your eyes.
Right.
And you clean and you cleanse it. It's a similar way you brush your lashes every day, so that it shouldn't cause eye infections.
Do you instruct the client what to do once they are done with the lashes? Like, do you give them some instructions? Or?
See what happens, we do not have any manual guide giving it to them, but then we have, obviously, we have a conversation with the client and we see, so there's a procedure when a client is getting her lashes done. So there's a procedure and then there's a post procedure. Okay, so when I talk about the pre-procedure, I say, ma'am, please do not apply makeup, because we have to clean the makeup. No mascaras, no eyeliners, and nothing on your eyes. Because see what happens, sometimes there's a lot of makeup and it takes little time for a technician to clean the eyes.
Exactly.
Okay,
that's
so
true.
please come down without any makeup on your eyes. And the post eyelash procedures, use brush every day to brush your eyes twice. No applying mascara on your eyes. No applying any oil-based products on your eyes. Okay, or waterproof.
Now that my lashes are done, I feel, Krishika, that my entire look is enhanced. What do you say?
You look very pretty.
Hello everyone. Like you can see, the entire look of my face is enhanced because of the lashes that I have done, and it makes me feel more prettier. I feel more confident. To have this look, please come down to Nail Lashes at road number 4, Banjara Hills. See you.